Number 1.
1998 Ford F-150, price $5,990. This truck has 147,000 miles and is powered by a dependable gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a classic black exterior with a clean gray interior and comes in the practical Super Cab configuration, offering extra seating along with additional space for storage and personal belongings. The short bed makes the truck easy to maneuver while still providing plenty of room for hauling tools, equipment, or other cargo. The truck delivers strong and dependable performance and is equipped with power steering for easier and more comfortable handling. The interior has been kept clean and well maintained, giving the cabin a comfortable and presentable feel.
Number 2.
2001 Toyota Tundra, price $6,000. It has 149,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 3.4L V6 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. It features a gold exterior with a tan interior and runs on gasoline. The truck comes with a clean title and has been well maintained with several recent upgrades and replacements. The Tundra received a new battery in 2026 and is equipped with a fresh set of tires. The suspension and steering components have also received attention, including new lower ball joints, tie rods, rack and pinion bushings, and other related parts. For improved visibility and appearance, it has new LED headlights, taillights, and fog lights. Inside, the truck offers modern convenience with CarPlay and Bluetooth connectivity. The air conditioning blows very cold, making it comfortable even on hot days.
Number 3.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500. This Silverado is a custom-built single-cab pickup with 169,000 miles and an automatic transmission. It features a charcoal gray exterior with a turquoise interior and is powered by a gasoline 355.7-liter V8 engine paired with a 700R automatic transmission. The truck has been professionally converted from a long bed to a short bed, with the frame cut and welded according to short bed measurements and fitted with an original short bed box. It has also received a fresh charcoal gray paint job that gives the truck a clean and distinctive appearance.
Overall, this Silverado offers a classic single-cab design with custom short bed styling and a strong V8 powertrain. The title is in hand and ready for the next owner. Number 4.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,900. This truck has 198,000 original miles and is powered by a 5.7L 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and 2WD. The truck runs and drives well and has been well kept and maintained over the years. It features a red exterior with a matching red interior, giving it a classic and distinctive look. The paint has some fading from age, but it cleans up nicely and still gives the truck plenty of character.
The interior is very clean and has been well cared for.
With its proven 350 V8, automatic transmission, and solid running and driving condition, this Chevrolet 1500 makes a great classic pickup for someone looking for an older truck with a simple and dependable setup. It also comes with a clean Texas title in hand.
Number 5.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. This truck has 240,000 miles and is powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission.
It features a green exterior with a gray interior and is in good overall condition for its age.
The truck runs and drives, has cold AC, and the 4WD system works great, making it a capable option for both everyday driving and tougher jobs. The truck does have a few issues that should be noted. The passenger front brake caliper is sticking, causing the truck to pull strongly toward that side while driving. The power window on the driver's door is also not working.
Cosmetic-wise, the clear coat on the hood and roof has deteriorated and could use some attention.
Despite these issues, this K1500 still offers the classic look and durability of a 1994 Chevrolet truck, along with its strong 5.7L V8, automatic transmission, functional 4WD, and cold AC.
Number 6.
1994 Ford F-150, price $7,300. It has 200,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 5.0-liter V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and 4WD. It features a classic red exterior with a matching red interior and runs on gasoline. The truck has received several recent upgrades and replacements, including a new alternator, starter, battery, air conditioning system, tires, muffler, sensors, and many other parts, helping keep it running and driving well. The 4WD system and manual transmission make it a capable and enjoyable truck to drive, while the V8 engine gives it plenty of power and classic Ford character. The truck looks even better in person than it does in pictures and has a great overall appearance for its age.
Number 7. 1984 Ford F-250, price $4,500, powered by a 460 V8 with an automatic transmission. It has a brown exterior, tan interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck runs and drives well, with everything working properly. It has a louder exhaust installed by the previous owner, but the sound is not excessive and gives it a nice tone. The current owner drove it through an entire winter and enjoyed it, but is selling it because he simply has too many trucks. The body has some rust and wear from road salt and is far from perfect. It needs a headliner, driver's side mirror glass, and grease service on the right front spindle. The carburetor may need a rebuild since it requires extended cranking after sitting for a week. Only one of the two fuel tanks works, and the rear tank may need a new sending unit. The truck comes with new tires and wheels, working cruise control, and a functioning windshield washer system. Number 8. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,800, solid one-owner truck that runs and drives great. It is powered by a 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and 4WD, with approximately 40,000 miles on the rebuilt engine. The truck has a white exterior and a gray interior, with the interior still looking nice, clean, and well maintained for its age. The truck runs properly and everything is reported to be working as it should. It also features cold air conditioning, making it comfortable to drive. The exterior is in fair condition, with a few dents and scratches from normal use, but overall it remains a good-looking and functional pickup. The registration is up to date through next year, and the smog certification is kept current, with the next smog check due next month. Number 9. 1993 GMC 1500, price $5,995. This truck has 165,000 miles and is powered by a solid running 5.7L 350 cubic inch small block Chevy V8 paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in tan with a beige interior, this gasoline-powered short bed truck runs and drives well and is equipped with cold AC and a custom exhaust system. The truck has received several upgrades and recent maintenance, including a brand new serpentine belt and power steering pump. It also features a custom cold air intake system with a large pod filter, upgraded polished/chrome-finned aluminum valve covers, and high-performance red spark plug ignition wires. The truck comes with a clean title and offers a classic combination of V8 power, short bed styling, and practical upgrades. Number 10. 1997 Dodge Ram 1500, price $3,200. This truck has 250,000 miles and is powered by a 5.9L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives great and has been used as a dependable work truck. It features a red exterior with a black interior and comes equipped with power windows, power locks, and air conditioning. The AC currently needs a recharge, but the truck otherwise provides a solid and reliable driving experience. It is gasoline-powered and is currently registered as non-op with no outstanding fees. A clean title is in hand, making this a straightforward truck for someone looking for a capable and dependable classic Dodge Ram.